Okay, this is going to be a real fun part of the course. What we're going to do is we're going to take the application that we've built for running for Brews, and we're going to go through and talk about deploying it. So I'm going to use AWS, and I'm going to show you everything you need to do to stand up application in production. So we're going to use AWS. Amazon Web Services is the largest cloud provider out there. It is significantly larger. I'll show you that inside this section of the course. I'm a big fan. I've used AWS for a long time. It has more than I know what to do with. But we are going to use AWS. We're going to create a database on AWS and using the RDS database service. Using my SQL, get that all provisioned using AWS. We are going to create a Linux image, a Linux virtual machine on AWS, and then we'll set up everything to run inside of a Docker container on that Linux image, and I'll show you how to configure Spring, how to do this. We'll even get into doing releases. So we're going to get into a lot of stuff in this course. This is kind of like an accelerated version of my AWS DevOps course. So we're going to go through a lot. I'm not going to be able to get into a lot of depth on stuff. I do get into that in that other course, but this is going to be a fun section. I just want to demonstrate to you what it takes to take a Spring Boot application out of development and get it into running into a production-like environment. We are going to use AWS for that. And this is going to be a precursor to getting this app up and running, and then we're going to work with the client running for Brews and go through some iterations. But this section of the course is all about taking this application that we've built in development and getting it into a production-like environment. So we could literally use this for a production application. I'm going to show you all the tricks of the trade, everything from standing up the servers to provisioning a subdomain for it, how to set that up in Cloudflare. So there's a lot of content in here. We go over a lot of stuff really quick, but I think you're going to get a lot of value out of this section. I enjoy this stuff, and I hope you have a lot of fun in this section of the course as well.